What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Mike Dub. Today we're putting on the glove box covers on the Harley. These, hold on, I don't want to simply yet. These are the glove box covers for the 98 through 2014, I believe. And you can find them on eBay. I don't think you can find them on Amazon, but I ordered mine off eBay. They only come in gloss black. I tried to find the denim black, but they don't come. But I'm gonna show you how to assemble them because there's only one guy that shows you how to assemble them on YouTube, and he doesn't show you all the steps, like how to put the spring in, because he didn't have a tripod. Shouts out to you though. I wish I would remembered your name, but he showed me enough till I can get them in here, and he can show you enough to get them in here. But I just want to show you literally everything. So check it out. All right, so I put the spring on wrong on this one, so I got the thing springing out instead of down. So that's why I had to take this one back loose, which is cool because my camera, I guess I hit the record button on accident. So best thing is to turn the spring around. All right, so what I found the easiest way to do is put the long end put in this one. And I got to make sure that this is the right way too. But put the long end into this little slot right here. That's in the middle of the little hinge hole. And then on this side of the hinge, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little hole down in there. There's 3 holes actually, but you just want to make sure it goes into one of them. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. The little holes down in there. But yeah. So you want to slide it into the little hole like so, and then slide the whole thing on. Nah, I got it backwards. So you want the screw holes, the indentation part where you can put the screw in it. It's not in the hole, so I use this little pick tool. Try to get it in the hole. Normally don't have any problems getting it in the hole. Okay, now I know it's where it's gonna shut down. So this is right. This is how it should look. Screw holes go in, and it should want to close down on the glove box. So now what you do is they give you two of these lock barrels that go in the inside, and you want this little slit to go between the arm. So you find the little slit and you push it down. And this is plastic, and the plastic isn't like cleanly made, if that makes any sense. So here's the other one. So I use a pair of big lock channel to squeeze this on. That was weird. Oh, because let's see what's happening. The rest of the spring is getting away. I think that, there we go. Let me put this other side on and see. It's still pushing. I gotta get the spring inside it. So yeah, this ain't easy, but it's doable. You just gotta play with it. I don't like how that spring keeps making this thing come out. See, it's gonna eventually pop out. All right, let me reverse it. Let me change which long and short. So now I'm gonna put the short side in. See if that helps out any. Feels like this might help out a lot. I might have to glue these barrels on, these ends. I'm gonna play with it on the bike and see if it pop out. Yeah, I might put a little glue on these ends. Gotta be careful. I need to get some super glue. That Gorilla Glue expands, so I don't want to use that. I have some plastic welding stuff. But anyway, I'm about to screw this on the bike. I don't know if you can see it or not. Put the bolt through, washer on, and then the nut. And just hand tighten one side, and then hand tighten the other side. Don't tighten it all the way down, because you got to adjust it some. You might have pressed the whole thing down some, so it fits flush. So you get your 3/8, your torque bit, do it a little bit snug, not real tight. You want to make sure. Oh, cool. So the sides of the fairing is going to keep those little plastic ends in. I'm going to loosen this up a little bit and press it down some. They give you 2 new plastic pieces. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray them with some of this Superior clear satin so the sun don't stain them. Or should I leave them alone for when I paint my bike? Nah, I'm gonna spray them because there's other black items on the bike. So I'm gonna spray them real quick, and then I'm gonna swap out the speakers. I gotta leave these to dry. All right. So I got both my lids on. They're both closing flush like they're supposed to. I sprayed the little covers with some polyurethane spray paint, so like a clear coat, so the sun don't dye them. Because for some reason, most of the other bikes I see, they look like really ashy. All right, so now I'm going to take these speaker grills out, do a light sand job on them, and then spray them. As you see, you got a little rust color, scratched off paint. So that's my next task.